Today's video is on the top 3 best Halloween projectors. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or the use of it, we've got you covered. For more product information, I have included affiliate links below, updated for the best prices. Now, let's find your top pick. Number 3. Best budget, brighter Halloween decorations. Projector lights. Looking to make your Halloween decorations stand out? This brighter and clearer Halloween projector light might just be what you need. Unlike other dim and blurry projectors on the market, this one has gone through a year of trial and error to bring you a brand new upgrade. The result? Crystal clear, vivid patterns with enhanced brightness that'll make your decorations pop. And the best part? You can control it all with a remote. This is the perfect companion for your spooky season. What makes this projector even better is its versatility. It comes with 19 different slides, offering a total of 76 patterns across 11 popular holiday themes. From Halloween and Christmas to birthdays and even Valentine's Day, you're covered for celebrations all year round. Plus, with 5 different Halloween slides, you'll have plenty of choices to create the perfect eerie atmosphere. One of the standout features of this projector is the quality of the animation. Using digital camera technology, the images stay crisp and clear even after 2 years of use. Compare that to ordinary projectors, which start to blur after just a month or two. So if you want high-definition projections that last, this is the one to go for. The projector also boasts a large projection area, reaching up to 32 feet with a maximum coverage of 2,137 square feet. That's enough to cover the exterior of your house. Plus, the adjustable light head, which rotates 180 degrees, lets you position the projector just right, whether you're decorating indoors or outside. You'll be able to create the perfect spooky atmosphere in no time. Installation is a breeze too. With a round base and ground stakes, you can place it on the floor or install it on the wall. If you're using it outdoors, the ground plug makes it easy to set up on your lawn. And with a 16-foot power cord, wiring issues are a thing of the past. On top of that, they offer a 30-day return policy and a 1-year warranty, so you can buy with confidence. Light up that subscribe button like your yard with this Halloween projector. Number 2. Best overall AAXA HP-Four Halloween Projector. The newest autoplay Halloween projector is the perfect addition for anyone looking to elevate their Halloween setup this year. Featuring a built-in timer, Bluetooth connectivity, and native 1080p resolution, this projector is an upgraded version of the highly rated 2023 HP-3 model, which received rave reviews. With this projector, users can easily transform their yard into a ghostly wonderland, sure to leave neighbors both impressed and spooked. The projector comes preloaded with 8 haunting effects, making setup simple and immediate. No need to worry about complicated installations, just plug and play. It also boasts built-in speakers for rich sound, and with Bluetooth capability, users can seamlessly connect to their own devices or download additional eerie videos from Spectral Illusions to keep the scares fresh. The 2024 model introduces several exciting new features. The addition of an on and off timer allows users to schedule the perfect moment for their ghostly projections to appear. The native 1080p resolution ensures crystal clear visuals, while the onboard Bluetooth makes it easy to customize the sound experience. Best of all, this projector isn't limited to Halloween. Its versatility makes it a great choice for year-round entertainment, whether it's for movie nights, gaming sessions, or special occasions. The full-featured projector offers endless possibilities for both fun and fright. Number 1. Our pick, Reaper Brothers Halloween Digital Decoration Kit. Are you ready to take your Halloween decorations to the next level? This complete setup is designed to transform any space into a thrilling, spooky experience. The LED projector with a resolution of 1280 by 720 delivers clear, detailed visuals. It also includes sound, a remote control for easy operation, and a wide-angle lens. Perfect for virtual videos that will captivate and entertain anyone who sees them. Included in the package is a 48 by 72 inch white translucent fabric screen from Reaper Brothers. This screen is specially formatted to fit on your door or window and comes with convenient 3M mounting hardware, making installation a breeze. Once set up, it creates a stunning three-dimensional effect, adding an immersive layer of excitement to any Halloween scene. The real highlight, though, is the Atmos FX USB stick, which comes preloaded with 8 different spine-chilling Halloween scenes. These include popular choices such as Jack-O-Lantern Jamboree, Monster Bash, Eerie Eyes, Witching Hour, Boo Crew, Halloween Moon, and Bone Chillers 2. Each scene is designed to bring a different element of frightful fun, sure to impress any onlookers. What's even better is that these digital decorations aren't just limited to the projector. They can be displayed on any TV, monitor, or other projector, allowing the scenes to be projected onto windows, walls, props, or even across the yard. This means you can get creative with where and how you set up your decorations, making it easy to customize the experience and spread the Halloween spirit all around. Remember, we've done the hard work, sifting deep into the research so you don't have to waste time on subpar products. For more product info, check the affiliate links below or our website, toppick3.com. Thanks for watching.